week, Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, we could get a little snow headed our way with our next system. So that's what we're focusing on. Of course, the details still coming into a clearer picture with that. But
yeah, baby. I made some progress on these moguls last night. Obviously got some snowmaking in. When I looked at the cameras, it looked like they were just doing Bold Decision and Far Side, but they did some stuff here too. If I was going to be here long enough today, I'd let those soften up a little bit and beat up the legs a little bit. At least it's quiet around here today. That's nice. How's it going, man? Wow, that took a lot out of me. The first run out of the gate. There are so many little whales over there. I am so out of shape this year compared to last. It's amazing. All right, let's try to get some more stuff done. First of all, I'm freezing. My freaking gator fell down. That happened when I was screwing around with my camera. So yeah, technical difficulties today. The first thing I do is lose a freaking battery. I've got freaking heartburn. Got the coughs. Not doing so hot today. I don't know if I can do too many laps today. You know, one of the things that's really getting me is the extra mask layer. Not bringing in quite as much oxygen. You know, I mean, when you're in the middle of a run, you are full inhale, exhale, like somebody in the middle of a sprint. The extra mask layer is makes it just a little bit harder to breathe. The legs are getting tired a lot quicker. So I mean, it is what it is. We got to do what we got to do this year, right? Putting that guy away. Gonna end up busting out the Warlock here. I was a little bit worried about ice this morning, but I haven't seen any, so might as well bust out the daily driver. All right, I think I got myself all sorted. Let's go.